Feeling tired more often than you'd like? Maybe your strength isn't what it used to be, your stamina fades faster, or, let's be honest, your drive just isn't what it once was. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. After 60, it's completely normal for testosterone levels to drop, energy to dip, and even simple daily activities to feel like a big effort. But here's the great news. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated workout plans to turn things around. Sometimes, the solution is as simple as changing what's on your plate. The right foods can naturally revive your energy, support your hormones, and help you feel more like yourself again, ready to enjoy life fully. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful foods that have been shown to boost vitality in men over 60. All natural, all easy to include in your diet. Stick with me until the end, because number 5 is a simple, tasty secret that many men overlook, but it can make a big difference. Before we jump in, I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you really miss about having more energy when you were younger? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips to help you stay strong, healthy, and vibrant. Number 1, eggs, the muscle and hormone booster. Now, let's talk about a classic food, eggs. Why are eggs great for men over 60? Because they help repair muscles and boost testosterone. 2 key things to keep you strong and full of energy as you age. Each egg provides high-quality protein to maintain lean muscle, vitamin D that helps regulate testosterone levels, and choline, a nutrient linked to better sexual health and brain function. Did you know low vitamin D in older men is often connected to fatigue, mood swings, and reduced libido? Since many seniors don't get enough sunlight, eggs are an easy and tasty way to fill that gap. For example, John, a 65-year-old, started eating 2 eggs every morning with spinach and whole grain toast. After a few weeks, he noticed he felt more energetic and stronger during his daily walks. To get the best benefits, aim for 6 to 7 eggs a week, maybe for breakfast with some leafy greens or whole grain toast. Number 2, tomatoes, a natural prostate protector. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports prostate health, a concern that becomes more important as men age. Lycopene helps reduce inflammation and may lower the risk of prostate cancer. A Harvard study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that men who consumed 2 or more servings of tomato-based foods per week had a 24% to 36% lower risk of developing prostate cancer compared to those who ate fewer servings. Cooking tomatoes in olive oil enhances the body's absorption of lycopene, making dishes like tomato sauce or soup even more beneficial. Number 3, nuts, testosterone and heart support. Nuts like walnuts, almonds, and Brazil nuts are real vitality powerhouses. They're loaded with zinc, which helps boost testosterone levels, healthy fats that support hormone balance and improve circulation, and selenium, a mineral important for sperm health and energy. Let me tell you about Mark. He's a 68-year-old retiree living in Florida. When he first came to see me, he was feeling tired all the time, had low energy for his daily activities, and was worried about his heart health and declining stamina. After we talked about his diet, he started adding a small handful of mixed nuts to his routine every day: walnuts, almonds, and a couple of Brazil nuts. Within a few weeks, Mark noticed a real difference. He had more energy during his morning walks, felt stronger, and was even more motivated to spend time with his family and friends. At his next doctor's appointment, tests showed his heart health markers had improved, which made him feel even more confident in the changes he made. To get these benefits yourself, try eating about 1 ounce of nuts daily. Just remember to pick unsalted and unsweetened nuts. And with Brazil nuts, only 1 or 2 a day are enough to meet your selenium needs. Number 4, lean red meat, testosterone and iron source. When eaten in moderation, lean beef or lamb can help maintain testosterone levels thanks to their zinc and iron content. Iron is essential for energy and stamina because it helps transport oxygen throughout your body. Lean red meat also supports muscle mass, especially when combined with regular strength exercises. Now, many seniors worry that red meat is harmful and raises cholesterol or causes heart problems. While processed and fatty meats can be unhealthy, lean, grass-fed red meat is actually a valuable source of nutrients that support your body as you age. The key is moderation and choosing high-quality cuts. To get the benefits, limit your red meat intake to 2 to 3 servings per week and balance your meals with plenty of vegetables and whole grains to support digestion and heart health. Number 5, dark chocolate, circulation and mood enhancer. Yes, chocolate makes the list. But we're not talking about sugary milk chocolate or candy bars. The real superstar here is dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa content or higher. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonols, natural compounds that help improve blood flow by relaxing your blood vessels. This improved circulation is especially important for men over 60, as it supports not only heart health, but also erectile function. Dark chocolate is also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that helps reduce stress and promotes better sleep, both key factors in maintaining vitality as you age. Plus, it contains natural mood boosters like theobromine and serotonin precursors, which can lift your spirits gently and improve mental focus. Better circulation means more stamina, sharper focus, and yes, better romantic performance too. How to use. Enjoy a small square, about 1 ounce after dinner. For an extra nutritional boost, try pairing it with berries or a handful of nuts. Just remember to choose dark chocolate with low added sugar for the best health benefits. Let's take a moment to review the top 5 foods that can help boost male vitality after the age of 60. First, eggs. They provide essential protein and nutrients that support both testosterone production and muscle strength, helping you maintain your physical power and energy. Next, tomatoes. Rich in lycopene, they help protect your prostate and your cells from damage, which is especially important as you get older. Then, nuts like walnuts, almonds, and Brazil nuts. These are excellent for balancing hormones and supporting heart health thanks to their zinc, healthy fats, and selenium content. Fourth, lean red meat. When chosen carefully as grass-fed and unprocessed, lean beef or lamb offers important zinc and iron that contribute to energy, muscle maintenance, and healthy testosterone levels. Finally, dark chocolate, but not the sugary kind. High-quality dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa contains flavonols that improve blood circulation, magnesium that helps reduce stress and improve sleep, and natural compounds that gently boost your mood. Better circulation means better stamina, focus, and even improved romantic performance. Remember, you don't need to completely overhaul your diet overnight. Start simple by adding 1 or 2 of these foods into your daily meals and see how you feel. Combine this with staying active, getting enough restful sleep, and managing your stress levels, and you will be supporting your vitality from every angle. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button. It really helps our channel reach more people who can benefit from these tips. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me which of these foods you plan to include in your diet this week, or share any questions or experiences you have. Your feedback is important to me and the community. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so now and turn on notifications so you never miss new videos packed with useful advice to help you stay healthy, strong, and vibrant as you age. Thank you for watching, take care of yourself, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.